Article 1, general provisions, hands off the merchandise.
You've memorized this?
See, I'm the merchandise.
Hands off, aye, sir.
Article 2, hands off the merchandise.
Meaning there'll be none of that.
There's no problem there. I'm not much of a dancer, sir.
Article 3, punishment for violating 1 and 2.
You'll be swift and unflinching. Can't for a moment think otherwise, son.
Sure.
Make a hole, come on.
Take it out of the glass without spilling. That's right. Take your time. A little closer. A little closer. 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 A little closer.
It's hard!
MP's just pulled up.
You gotta get out of here. Every Marine in this place is AWOL.
Say that's why they're here.
Listen up! Every Marine in this establishment will produce a Liberty Pass or will return immediately to his billet.
What's this then?
There's no problem. I've got a pass, but still, why don't I escort Gwen out the back, sir?
Back your billet.
Good night, Greg. Don't wait up.
Show me your pass.
Come on, let's go.
Mom.
Saddle up, partner.
Stealing an MP's Jeep, are you kidding me?
Oh, hop in.
You can't do this shit, John. Not now. Remember what Chesky told you. Don't screw this up.